Same makeup, but somehow only you look bland? Pay attention to your face shape. Prepared just for you with an oval face shape. A detailed makeup guide plus product recommendations. An oval face means, from forehead to chin, the curves flow smoothly and gently. Cheekbones, forehead, and chin are all balanced without standing out, which is why it's also called the ideal face shape. So all kinds of styles tend to suit you well. IVE's Wonyong is a prime example. The defined features with curved lines really show, right? Girls' Generation's Yuna is the epitome of a clean and pure impression. La Serafim's Kazuha, the harmony of Eastern softness and Western dimension, is charming. Lastly, Blackpink's Jisoo, the embodiment of a feminine and elegant mood. Everyone radiates a soft, refined elegance. Can you see what they all have in common? Even though the eye makeup isn't heavy, their eyes look strikingly defined. This is the core of oval face eye makeup. The first step is eyebrows. The best brow shape for oval faces is the soft arch shape. It naturally harmonizes with the oval face's gentle curves, balancing the entire face like magic. The point straight up from the inner eye corner, the point straight from the outer iris, and mark the diagonal point from the outer eye corner. Start with a slightly upward straight line, then gently curve down from the second point and done. The angle should be a gentle, smooth curve. A thickness of 2 to 3 millimeters, slightly smaller than the pupil, is ideal. Too thin and the presence weakens, and too thick makes it look heavy. With powder type, the brow head is the lightest, gradually darkening toward the tail. Finally, brush through with a spoolie to finish. On the flip side, avoid straight or angular arch shapes. They clash with the oval face's soft curves, and can actually make the impression look stiff. The second step is eyeliner. For oval faces, keeping the eyeliner light is recommended. Lines that are too bold can ruin the oval face's naturally soft impression. Starting the line from the center is better than the inner corner. Drawing from the inner corner can actually make eyes look smaller. Fill thinly like the waterline, but slightly thicker at the center. The line won't stand out, but eyes look clear and bigger. Raise the eye tail slightly above a straight line. You can add a subtle, chic accent to the soft look. The length should be moderate, but if it's too tricky, use the eye's triangle zone as a guide. Don't go too far beyond it. Plus, rounding the tail maximizes the soft effect. Using a pencil-type liner like this makes corrections easy. So on the flip side, lines that are too heavy or sharp are a no-go, right? That's why cat eye style eyeliner like this can make the soft impression look unnatural. So be careful. The third step is eyeshadow. First, apply a base color in nude beige or peach cream tones, and lightly sweep a small amount over the entire eye area. Next, with brown, rose gold, or coral shades, blend from the center toward the outer corner. Smudge the point color to naturally connect with the eyeliner. Layering in small amounts makes features look defined and refined. Apply the same color lightly on the lower lash line for a more natural finish. Finally, finish with pearl highlighter. Dab a small amount on the inner corner, agiocell center, and lid center. Dimension comes alive and the gaze instantly focuses. Magic. But avoid chunky glitter and choose fine pearl. Spread thinly with a flat brush for a more elegant finish. Here's a point to watch out for. If you use colors that are too dark or flashy, the eyelid space can look narrow, so be careful. The fourth and final step, mascara. The key to oval face mascara is natural curling approximately. So when curling lashes with an eyelash curler, don't crimp at a sharp angle. A gentle curve shape is what matters. Clamp upwards several times from above the pupil toward the outer corner. It creates the effect of bigger, vertically elongated eyes. Slightly spreading the outer lashes makes eyes look wider horizontally. Mascara should be applied thinly in multiple coats like combing to achieve clump-free natural doll lashes. For lower lashes, lightly touching just 1 to 2 times is the point. Applying too much makes the eyes look heavy, and attention can be drawn to the lower face. In summary, oval face eye makeup is all about vivid naturalness. Apply defined brows, eyeliner, and mascara, but don't forget the subtle colors and gradation. If today's makeup tips were helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.